Hi, this is Ken, and today we're going to be looking at channel usernames and how to add this field to contact records. So this is one of the main fields that's going to allow your agents to offer solutions to customers that have posted their issues on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or other social channels. In our scenario today, we'll use SmartTech as an organization. Now, SmartTech is a popular electronics retailer that wants to be proactive in supporting customers on social media. In this course, you'll use Social Monitor as a SmartTech agent. In this activity, you'll add the Channel Usernames field to a workspace so agents can capture a contact's Twitter handle, YouTube username, or Facebook display name in an incident. To begin, we'll select Configuration. To access our workspace, double-click Application Appearance. Then double-click Workspace's Workflows. Next, we'll select the Product Registration folder and double-click Product Registration Contact. This is going to open the Workspace editor so that we can add the field. So up at the top there, click the Insert Field tab. Now you can see all the fields that are available up here. We're going to drag Channel Usernames onto the workspace. Drag it right down under the existing customer field. Finally, we're going to save the contact workspace. To verify that the field is showing up where it should be, we're going to preview the workspace as a new record so we can see how an agent would use the Channel Usernames field. So click the Home tab. In the ribbon, click the Preview button. Then select New Record. And there in the Channel Usernames field, click Add. Now click Add Username. Use the channel type list to select Twitter. We're going to enter a username here. I'll type it for you. And finally, click OK. And we're good to go. The Channel Usernames field is now ready to store social media usernames in a contact record. You can find additional learning resources in your Oracle Right Now Help application, as well as in the Oracle Learning Library and at Oracle University. Thank you.